Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
That is it.
That is it. That's how we do it.
Hey,
Welcome back to the
Microscope
Micro
show.
To Microscope show.
Micro show scope. And
who are you?
Brent.
I'm Doug.
And we're going to look at something kind of...
I'm going to look at something I've been wanting to look at for a while. This is my Apple AirPod.
These things have been in your
earbuds.
ears.
These have been in my ears
And
for
they
years,
have-
actually, and I've never cleaned them.
And
or
he's
anything.
never cleaned them. I
Okay.
can't wait to see what gunk we see tonight.
I'm going to take the pods out and just look at the case for now. So
Oh,
here's-
this is already going to be gross, I bet. How many years are we talking over here? Oh, boy. That is truly gross that you put this thing goes in your ears, man. I mean, no wonder
This doesn't go. Okay, this is the case. Look,
I know,
we're
but-
looking at the corner of the case.
I know, but that's where you keep these things that you put in your ears. That's filthy. Filthy said red.
Yeah, there's some
Yep.
stuff in there.
I mean, there's little pubics and everything. You know?
Those aren't pubics, dude.
Something. That's what. No, that is definitely looks pubic-y right there. I mean, that is something like that.
No, those are microfibers.
Micropubes.
Dude.
Those
If
are
those are
micropubes.
pubes. Those are from like a shrew or like a mole.
That's speaking of mole. That's it look like mold.
Okay. Well, there's the case.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the bottom where the thing connects. That's gonna be cool. Look at that. So that's where the iPhone, the iPhone connector.
To charge them.
Yeah, that's the charge hole that the iPhone.
Filthy.
What do you call that? Lightning or thunder?
Firewall.
Firewire 400. I think it's called like lightning or something. Okay, here's one of the. I thought that would be cooler, but
No, it is. It
it's
was
still
cool.
pretty cool. Okay, here's the bottom part that you like talk into. That's like the mic,
Oh yeah.
down there.
Okay.
That's kind of neat. Here's a little hole on the side. Whoa, it looks like it's blinking in there, doesn't it?
It does too.
Okay, now here's the.
Here we go. Oh, this is where
Here's
you
the
put the
real
ear.
deal.
Is this the ear section?
It's the part that goes in the ear.
Oh my gosh. That is straight up earwax. That's fully waxed.
That is fully waxed. I admit, dude, that is fully waxed.
That is truly grody, man.
That is fully waxed. Let's
That
look
is
at the other
fully
one.
waxed. Oh my god. Dude, that is just full
That is
wax.
fully waxed.
That is full wax.
Trevor, do you have like a toothpick?
Oh, dude, I want to pick into that.
I want to scrape.
Oh.
I need to scrape.
That is so waxed up.
Or like a tweezers if you want to sacrifice them.
You know how they say wax on, wax off? This is I'm
just
thinking
fully
wax
waxed.
on, I think, hardcore. No, you go, oh my god, this is great footage. Okay, hold on. Just get a focus though. I love seeing this. This is I'm smelling it. Oh no, I'm smelling something. That's so funny. I thought Trevor brought food, and I thought I was smelling that
Oh
food.
my
I thought I was smelling.
God.
I thought that was making.
Look at this.
I know that is so crazy.
Look at it. Look at it. That's my earwax. How are you supposed to clean that out of that grate?
Ugh.
I feel like I'm just smashing it into the grate.
Oh God, Doug.
Well, what do you
Ugh.
mean? It's natural.
No, I'm just saying that you're stuck with this inside the grate. You know, unless you got something really small and stuck it in there. Oh, a pin.
I'm not doing that. I
Wait,
think,
wait.
Like,
Can we see what happens when you do that? Actually, wait. Get focus on these clumps of. Oh, you know what we should do? Wait. Get a white thing.
Wait a
Get something.
second.
Get something white and get all these gunks, and then we'll
I'm
look
trying
at this.
to focus on my cleaning.
Hold on. Let me get a napkin actually, or something. Or let's just use a piece of paper. We should put this on a piece of paper.
The gunks?
Yeah, the gunks, and then we'll look at that really close. We'll get a closer look. This is going to be a good one. Yeah, it's pretty sick.
That is crazy.
Oh god. Oh, this is a good one right there. Look at that good clunk right there. Ooh, that's a good clunk.
It's kind of satisfying to get it out of there.
I know it is. I could see people getting into this online. You know, I mean, not even our normal, watchers, but I think I could see random people sort of being into this. It's in a way.
I wouldn't call them random. There would be specific people that like.
No, but I can see people who like to see things getting kind of unclogged, or something like that.
All right, let's look at the gunk.
Okay,
Here's
let's take a closer look.
Let's take a closer look.
Let's take a closer look.
So there's some hairs in there.
This truly looks like a Cocteau Twins album right here.
No, you're wrong.
No, I'm right. Sunburst and
those are all smooth and swirly. This is like crispy and crunchy.
No, they do stuff like this.
This is more like a Flaming Lips album.
It's gross how there's these hairs, these little hairs in there. You know that movie with Kevin Bacon, The Air Up There? This is the hairs in there.
Look, this is how it looks now. I'm gonna get even closer right now, okay?
Oh my! I love how close you're getting, by the way.
Dude, there's so much more to clean.
And also great how close you're getting here. That's great. Can you stick a pin in there?
Well, now I'm so close to like.
Oh, it won't even. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna fit in there actually. That pin is much bigger than I
I'm
thought.
not putting the pin in the grate. I don't want to like break the speaker in there.
You're not gonna use this ever again. After this?
Oh, you bet I am. You know how expensive these are?
Really?
Yeah. Man, this is too hard to focus.
Yeah.
Sorry, folks. Whew. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
This is so hard to.
Yeah.
It looks like honey or something, like a beehive.
Right.
All right, I'm just gonna chuck this stuff out. Save this cool little pencil deal. All right, well that's Apple AirPods.
All right.
And
never to be used again.
I'm gonna throw away this gunk.
Or we could try to sell it for anyone who wants to donate. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't think that's a good
I know.
prize for our Patreon subscribers. That's right, Brent. Do you want to go deeper? Did you like that episode? Well, subscribe to our Patreon page, patreon.com/Microscope Show. And you will have bonus content. We will go deeper. And maybe I can afford to get a new microscope that has a stand on it so I can focus these things better, which we need that.
And maybe we can get closer to just see some little tiny particles, bugs. Subscribe and keep looking closer.
Take a closer look.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,